Honda CRV front anti-roll drop links. These were advised on the MOT last time. So when it jacked up, this will stand underneath. I'll take the wheel off and I'll show you how to replace these drop links. Wheel off, this is passenger side front. Anti-roll bar drop link, that's the anti-roll bar, runs across the top of the front subframe, connects to the front strut. We'll undo these two nuts, which are 17mm with, I think it's a 5mm Allen key down the centre to hold them still. They've been on a long time, so they're probably going to be seized up. You can heat them up to free them off and cut them off if you want. Wire brush with a bit WD-40. Old one's out, new one's in, just loosely bolted at the top. You'll notice that the anti-roll bar is under tension, it flings up, so you can get a pry bar in there. Push it down so that you can get that bottom nut on. And that's it, new one's fitted. This new one comes with 19mm nuts and it's a 6mm Allen key to hold the centre if needed. So both sides, always do both sides as a pair. That's Mk3 CRV front anti-roll bar drop links.